Hi, I'm Hannah, a UX/UI designer in Powell. And today, I'm going to walk you through the design updates from Gemini-porteføljen, show a sneak peek of our design process in Gemini Connected, and introduce you to our new design system. Furthermore, don't forget about the Q&A session by the end of this presentation. But before I start the walkthrough, I want to talk about UX/UI design really quickly. I'm pretty sure that you've heard about us four letters a lot for at least the last few years. But in case you're still questioning what they're standing for, I got you. UX/UI stands for User Experience and User Interface Design. These two fields are cooperating every day, but their roles and outcomes in the design and development process are quite different. If I try to explain user interface design from the construction perspective, I would say that it's about the finishing of the object after the construction process, making sure that the lights installed everywhere where needed, trees planted, road signs mounted, and everything is looking good and being accessible. Yet, user experience design is about the functional part, the construction and architectural planning, materials plus their effectiveness, and the whole purpose of why do we need to build this by the end of the day. What is encouraging us? Why do we need to have another tunnel or an improved road here and there? So, as you can see, user interface design makes the visual part of your experience pleasant and accessible for various users with different needs. Whereas user experience design is about finding out what people are struggling with and how we, as designers, can provide a helpful and useful solution that fulfills the demands of our users and simplifies their life. Despite this year's challenging circumstances, Powell's design team, together with the business units, combined our forces and targeted them towards solving usability problems in our products and services. The first product that I'm going to talk about is Gemini-porteføljen. A year ago, we launched our User Experience Improvements program, and today we're glad to present you the first results so far. So let's start from the very beginning, specifically from the beginning of work in terrain. By cooperative and continuous research, investigation, and testing of the new approaches with our users, we successfully improved one of the most crucial workflows in terrain, the file importing. Without any extra steps and complications, you will now be able to import your files from a single entry point, and even drag and drop them into the program itself. Terrain will identify what exactly you are importing and display suitable properties. So now, with these improvements, the new file importing process takes 50% fewer user actions and is much more efficient. We are always striving to ensure that the fundamental features in our products are as intuitive and convenient as possible. Therefore, we are introducing some new and essential usability improvements for terrain. Starting with the grouping of app layers. Now, your workflow will become even more efficient, thanks to the more practical app layers management. Moving forward to drag and dropping. We know how this small feature is necessary for the comfortable and accessible use of terrain. We are continuously implementing drag and drop in the most needed areas, so now move your layers, attributes, and other items and lists faster and easier. We have even more exciting terrain updates coming in the future, such as simplification and redesign of the interface, crucial usability enhancements in the project management process, and more. We'll keep you posted with these improvements, so stay tuned. Moving forward to web updates. Gemini Connected is an essential part of work for our users, and this year we're expanding its capabilities with some new and exciting features. For the last few years, we have been rethinking the experience of interacting with maps and models, which are the most fundamental elements in the construction world and our products. With the online viewer, we wanted to make sure that the models are easily accessible to each member of the project team, to enhance the overall cooperation experience, monitor reporting insights, and reduce the stress level of tracking the latest updates and revisions. For us in Powell, sustainability and contribution to a green environment is always a high priority. And we're glad that with the online viewer, we might get the possibility to decrease the consumption of printing paper equivalent to 2 industrial trees per year for medium-sized construction teams. So let's continue building a green and sustainable future together. If you are a user of machine control, we have some exciting news for you too. We are so grateful that our customers are so cooperative, and together with them, we can improve and create new beneficial features and tools. One of the results of such collaboration is a new flow of vendors' export sources configuration. We have been thoughtfully investigating and testing several potential solutions to this issue to make sure that we are solving the right problem for the right people. As a result, we made sure that now you don't have to bother about removing unnecessary exported files from your device. Just set up the needed export sources for your project and you're good to go. A good experience is about small details. So to ensure that your experience with Gemini Connected is pleasant from the very beginning, we improved the initial processes of the organization onboarding, so now it's easier than ever. There's so much more exciting UX and UI updates from our Gemini product suite coming soon, so make sure to become a part of this journey. Last but not least, let's take a look at our new design system. Powell is becoming Volue, so this means that our products are getting on a new level. Meet Wave, a new design system which will bring our products a new look and feel starting from next year. With the enhanced interaction patterns, layouts, and improved components, our products are becoming more accessible, so your work would become even more effective and efficient. In Powell Construction, we're always aiming for the highest quality results. But all of that would be impossible without the help of our incredible users. So thank you so much for this exceptional cooperation. That's it from me. Thank you all so much for joining the design updates. And now we can start answering some questions.